Anxiety is a state that is to do with pressure to achieve something, or to conclude something, or to arrive at somewhere, or at some situation, or bring a closure to what you are hoping to. Success, you're anxious for passing the exams. But generally, as we grow older, we begin to face few of the big questions as to who am I? You're still dying, you don't know who you are. You don't know which part of you operated well. The other big question is the nature of death. You know, we know we are dying, so to speak, all the time, but when it comes closer to, departure with old age, then you become more concerned. You haven't done it. You haven't managed to step out of the so-called self. You have not discovered the real self, your soul. So business incomplete. So you're not content in the full sense for itself. You're not happy by its own sake. You're all the time kept on going because of the children, grandchildren, this and that. So you've not attained supreme consciousness, high consciousness, full consciousness in you. You're still conditioned consciousness. So therefore you're anxious. It's a very healthy state to be in, but also terrible, because the fellow who is anxious, you become also more and more anxious, and you're unable to fulfill it because you are not living the map. The map is that my human side will always be anxious, and my spiritual side is beyond these measures, and the two are inseparable. I have to glue them by mercy, by grace, by disappearing from that which is more and more to do with the physical material, and allow the real light to take over, which is already doing it, but I have to yield to that, submit to it.